Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to step on today's video? I'm going to show you how to hide city on Yubo. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Yubo app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Now, once you do that, launch the app on your phone. Then on your screen, you can see there are a few options like live, chats, activity, friends, and swipe. You don't have to select any of those. You just have to go to top right corner and select the user icon. Again, go to top right corner and select the settings button. Then scroll down and find safety and privacy. On there, you can see there are options like blocked users, muted words, and location. Tap on location, then on the second option you can see hide my city. Hide your city from other users. Now just go ahead and turn it on, and guys, that's it. That's how you hide city on Yubo. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.